Good morning, students. Joyadas here. Today, our exercise is 13.2, and we are the last part of exercise 13.2, where you have to do the simplification of question number 5. We will do only 3 sums today so that you can concentrate each and every sum properly and you can understand and practice. That is why only 3 sums we will do today. First one, 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3 into 7 power 5 whole to the power 2, that means 5 into 2, 2 to the power 10 into 7 to the power 3. Here it was 8, and you know that 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 cube. 8 means 2 cube. So instead of 8 is not a prime number, so I have to convert it into prime number. 2 cube. Instead of 8 I am writing 2 cube, 2 to the power 3 and whole to the power 3 into 7, single 7. Now 2 to the power 10 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 3, that is 9 into 7. Next 2 to the power division condition, so 2 to the power 10 minus 9, 2 to the power 10 minus 9 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1. So what we can get here, 2 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1, 2. 2 to the power 1 means only 2 into 7 7 7 into 7 49. 49 into 2 98. Here we are not giving the answer in the exponential form. Here we have to give the answer in the proper number. Understood? It is not written here, only it is written simplify. Question number 2 of 5. (25) into 5 to the power 2 into t to the power 8 by 10 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. 25 means 5 square, 5 into 5, so 5 to the power 2. Here already 5 to the power 2 was there, and t to the power 8 by 10 means 2 into 5. 10 cube means 2 into 5 whole cube into t to the power 4, t to the power 4. Now these are same base and power, same base and into sign, the power should be added. So 5 to the power 2 plus 2 into t to the power 8, and here 2 cube separately, 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 and t to the power 4. Now 2 plus 2, 4, 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 8 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. 5 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 3, they are in the division condition, so subtraction, 4 minus 3, t to the power 8 minus 4, and 2 cube is alone here, so leave it here. 2 cube, there is no pair of 2 cube on the numerator or in the denominator, so 2 cube is alone here. Now 5 to the power 4 minus 3 means 5 to the power 1 means 5 only. T to the power 8 minus 4, that is t to the power 4, and 2 cube means 8, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Now 5 into t to the power 4, 5 t to the power 4 by 8, into sign, no need to write here, 5 into t to the power 4 by 8. Next question is question number 3. 3 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5, 25 by 5 to the power 7, 6 to the power 5. Here many numbers I can see, they are not in their prime factors form. 10 means 2 into 5. 25 means 5 into 5. 6 means 2 into 3. So I will expand it first in the prime factors form. 3 to the power 5, it was okay before only, it is prime numbers form. 10 means 2 into 5 to the power 5. Outside 5 I have kept 2 into 5, 4 to the power 5. 25 means 5 to the power 2. Then 5 to the power 7 into 6 means 3 into 2 whole to the power 5. 6 to the power 5 means 3 into 2 whole to the power 5. Now 3 to the power 5, 2 and 5 whole to the power 5, that means 2 to the power 5 separately, 5 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 2. Here 5 to the power 7, 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. Then 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 division condition. So 3 to the power 5 minus 5, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 minus 5, 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 2, bases same, into sign, power should be added, 5 to the power 5 plus 2. In the denominator, now 5 to the power 7 only left, because this is in the top and this is also in the numerator, it is gone. Now 5 to the power 7, 3 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0, 5 to the power 7 by 5 to the power 7, 3 to the power 0 means 1, 2 to the power 0 means 1, 5 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power 7, that means 5 to the power 7 minus 7, 1 into 1, 1, 5 to the power 7 minus 7, 5 to the power 0, that is 1 into 1, answer is 1. This is today's sum. You have to understand the sum from the video. If you need 2-3 times to watch it. Afterwards you have to practice it, that is so that you can understand it properly. Today I have not given any homework, so that you can practice it nicely. I hope all of you will understand if you practice it. Thank you, students.